nice Camaro. I think that's Camaro. Little SXT action.
Oh, wait a minute. Is he in Mark?
This is a sweet Bel Air. Looks like a 55. Built Mustang. Ooh, it's a nice Scat Pack. Love wide body Challengers. 392. Oh, and it's a stick shift. Station wagon. Focus RS. Last call Hellcat. Believe. Oh.
Oh, we got steaks out.
Red seat belts. GT500.
When did that Challenger come here?
Oh, that the one next to the orange one?
Yeah.
Oh, that one was here before we pulled up.
Really? I didn't see it when I was...
That white Scat right there,
Yeah.
that wide body one, that's a stick shift.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Slim though.
That red Challenger up there, I thought that was a regular Hellcat. That's a Hennessy.
I know, I saw.
Hennessy super stock. I was like, bro, I gotta get a picture of that.
Yeah, bro. I was like, bro, no way they got super stocks with a Hennessy. That thing's 1,000 horsepower.
Oh yeah, I bet that thing pulls. It's got the red seats and stuff in it.
Put down the power on these streets.
With them radials, maybe in a certain gear, but if you're in first or second, no.
Maybe like fourth gear.
Yeah.
30.
I do like this Challenger though.
Yeah, that's nice.
Kind of looks like your old one.
Oh, bro, that's what I looked at. I'm like, it looks like mine.
It just has the different wheels and don't have the satin roof.
No, bro, I miss my Chally. These people, I can't believe somebody could just hit me like that.
Yeah, that sucks.
Bro, I don't know how people drive nowadays. Like people, there was 3 people in the car. Like, oh,
That 55 Bel Air is pretty sweet. Yeah, that 55. Got an older Mustang over there. Looks like a 60. Looks like a 65. I may be wrong. This is a rare color. This is maximum steel.
really?
Yeah.
I've never seen this color. It looks like
Because
gray.
like it looks black in like the dark, but in the sun it's got that blue. TRX action.
TRX.
That sounds pretty good.
I didn't even hear the whine though.
Well, like it's got like the blue and purple flakes and stuff
Yeah.
in the daylight. That's pretty sweet.
You know, I think any Hellcat you have, you gotta put like a
Hey, Connor. That's maximum steel. Got that F-150. I like them wheels. Corvette. Sweet TRX. If I had that, first thing I'm doing is I'm hitting the trails with it. It's built for that. This is Midwest muscle. Slow RT, don't tread on me. 1LD. Look over here now. Midwest muscle. God, that's a super stock. That's a Hennessy super stock.
Sorry, man.
Oh, you're good. Oh, that octane red is so beautiful in the daylight, dude.
It doesn't work half the time.
Hennessy super stock. It's got the red seats.
Get it now.
This is dope. This is my first time seeing a super stock. And you know what makes me more lucky is that it's a Hennessy super stock. Powered by Hennessy right there. This is a sweet Mustang though. That is a sweet Mustang. This is pretty. We're out here in Nixa, Missouri. Sorry for the wind, it's a windy day. Seats feel way more comfy than the car.
That's what I mean. The leather is nice. My dad even said these seats are like one of the most comfortable seats. I'm gonna keep it in normal mode right now so you can feel it.
Just get to feel the 500 real quick.
Yeah, no, it's in 700. It's going to be in 717. I'm not changing that, so be ready. But the one thing is, even in normal mode, it still pulls. It still pulls. You don't even need. Let me put my phone somewhere because this thing is gonna fly. It's off its spot. All right, ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Do we pull off out of here on the right turn?
I think there's a straight road down here.
So we go left?
I think so.
Okay.
Wow, you didn't even get on it.
Nope, and
I
it's
felt
already
the
going. All right, am I good on your side?
Yep.
Here we go.
Jesus, man. Oh my
and that's normal.
God.
Oh, watch this.
And that's normal mode?
It's not good in this mode. I gotta put it in. Now we're gonna go to sport.
I about dropped my phone.
All right, I'm gonna put it in custom because I don't want the traction to lose. So we're gonna go in this. But here we go. Suspension in sport. Everything sport. You'll be ready. Oh, it's green. Oh, where's this guy go? What? Hellcat. This is a Hellcat. And listen to that. Another downshift. Yeah, this is a crazy car. All right, I'm gonna figure out where to turn.
This was the road I was talking about.
Oh, this is the one?
Yeah, I think so. I love those shifts.
Yeah, it's a crazy car. Isn't it? Violin. Oh, let me open the window, you can hear even better. Oh man, I love this car. Oh man. Oh, there's a cop. He ain't see me, he ain't see me. Oh, no, he's about to turn. Nah, bro. Are you turning there? Where are you going?
Put your cameras down.
Yeah, no, that's an old school too. I've seen those. They don't make those anymore.
Yep.
Those are the ones that have like the Hellcat interior.
Mm-hmm.
Leather and everything. SRT. No police up behind me. Nope. All right, ready?
Yep.
That's aggressive.
You hear the whine? It's like exhale whine. I told you, I love that. Oh, there's a cop.
Where?
He didn't see me. Oh, no, he's about to turn. Oh, it's green. Oh, where's this guy go? What? Hellcat. This is a Hellcat. And listen.